I didn't think I understood the Portuguese right, but I asked again and it's exactly what I heard. This is a cemetery for birds. There it says, Cemetery of Birds. I'm singing to give joy to my companions. So these are graves of birds. Like, the graves aren't very big. As you can see my hand. It's like a foot and a half, or a foot, I don't know, long. Let's see. And then there's a poetic panel for the Cemetery of the Birds. And then there's just a lot of poetry about the birds. I have never seen anything like this. Cemetery of Birds with Tweety Bird. And then there's just like these statues of birds. What are your thoughts about this? I'm just perplexed. Like, why would you have a bird cemetery? But they do. She's asking too. She's like, why are they buried here? Are they sick? I have the same exact questions. I don't know. We're gonna ask him some more questions, and maybe I'll write that in the information box. But goodbye, birds. You've been good to the people of this island in Brazil. Oh, and a bird feeder. Okay.